Hello everybody, and thanks for watching another RadioKing video tutorial. In this video we'll be looking at something incredibly important for your radio station, statistics. We'll be looking at how you can find out more about your listeners in terms of where they're based, what they like listening to, and what you've been broadcasting on your radio station in general for the past month. To display your station's statistics, click on Statistics located on the left-hand menu of the Radio Manager. Here you'll find a couple of categories. Let's start with live. You can see the number of listeners that are listening to you throughout the world in real time. The manager helps you get to know your listeners with information such as their country, city, IP address, the type of browser they're using, and the duration of their sessions. If necessary, you can also kick or ban certain listeners from listening to your station. As you can see, there's also a world map that makes the statistics that much more visual and interesting. Under the General tab, you can obtain key information such as the number of unique listeners, the length of sessions, and the average session duration. The manager also lets you obtain information regarding the distribution of sessions and the length of sessions. This obviously allows you to pinpoint when exactly your station is being listened to most. The next tab is the Music tab. Here you'll find the most rated, most played and most listened to tracks on your station. You can even get a closer look at the ratings of the tracks played and identify which ones have the most stars and which ones have lower ratings. For example, let's click on Flop, and you'll see that these are the tracks with the lower ratings. These ratings are retrieved via our listening platform available on RadioKing.com. You can also activate or deactivate the option to be visible on our platform in the settings section of the Radio Manager. You can find out more about how to do that by watching our video tutorial on how to configure your radio page. The great thing about this is you can use all this information to create new playlists and relate more to your listeners' music tastes. Moving on to the Listeners tab. Here you can analyse the location of your listeners and determine your station's reach, including further statistics on the average and full length of listening sessions. If we now have a look at the History tab, here you can generate broadcast reports as required by the collecting agencies or copyright authorities, and even personalise reports for your own use with the date and period of time. Simply click on Track History Report to choose the dates. Click on Generate and the file will automatically download onto your computer. And finally, the last section called Banned IPs shows all users that you've banned in your live section by clicking on the red button Ban. So there you have it. Hopefully the statistics module will help you improve your content and gain more listeners. Thanks for watching and catch you around in the next video.